So I created a video about a transatlantic cruise on the Apex leaving from Lisbon. And guess what? Celebrity gone done and canceled it. But you know what? They just announced the replacement transatlantic for the Apex, and this is the cruise deal for that one. And it's a pretty darn good one. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, Rob from Cruise Seekers, and guess what? Murphy bit me and I created a video about a cruise deal for a transatlantic cruise on the Apex, and Celebrity went and canceled it. They did some rearrangements of dry docks and what have you, and now the Apex is going to be coming back home from England instead of Lisbon. This is a brand new transatlantic cruise for the Apex coming back home in October instead of November. So let's get into the actual transatlantic deal that I found for you on the Apex with this new transatlantic. And we have some really, really good group rates for it. Now, before we get into the ship and the itinerary, I would like to thank each and every one of you folks out there who have become a member of the Cruise Seekers community. Thank you so much for doing it. It is so appreciated. And if you have not, and you love cruise deals, think about subscribing and turn that notification bell on. It is so appreciated by us, and we thank you so much for doing it. And while you're down there, hit that like button. It really does help the YouTube algorithm. It lets other people find this video if they're looking for a great deal on a transatlantic cruise. So now with that taken care of, let's talk a little bit about the ship and the itinerary that we're going to be doing on this cruise. Now, I love the Celebrity Apex. It is a great ship to do a transatlantic cruise. I love the infinite verandas specifically for that. Those giant picture windows are just absolutely stunning to see the ocean go by. The ship has tons of places to go and visit and have great experiences on. It has great specialty dining. It has great entertainment, which is perfect for the amount of sea days a transatlantic has. So it's a great ship to do just this type of itinerary. And if you didn't know already, this is one of the ships that Forbes awarded its 5-star award from Celebrity Cruises. It's a phenomenal ship with great service. Now, the dates that we're going to be doing this transatlantic is October 23rd, 2024, and it's a 12-night transatlantic cruise. And during this transatlantic cruise, you will be leaving out of Southampton, England, which is about 80 miles south of London, and then you will be going to the Azores Islands. From there, you will go to Bermuda and then finally wind up in Fort Lauderdale. So it's a really simple transatlantic, a couple stops, a lot of sea days, a lot of great experiences on the resort class ship of the Apex. So the price I'm about to give you right now for this transatlantic is for two people for these prices. It's also going to include your Celebrity all-included package, which gives you your tips, your basic unlimited Wi-Fi, and your classic drink packages for both passengers. And you will also have your port fees, your taxes, and expenses taken care of too in this price. You will also receive a 100% refundable deposit for this cruise. Now, forgive me if I look away from the camera while I read out these pricings. I want to make sure I get them exactly right for you. We're going to first start off with AquaClass cabins. I have Prime AquaClass cabins for you. Those Prime AquaClass infinite veranda cabins are $5,749.04 with $250 on board credit. This is a huge savings of $2,290 versus the Celebrity website for the same AquaClass cabin with a refundable deposit. Next, we have Prime Concierge Class cabins with the infinite veranda. Those are $4,433.04 with $250 on board credit. This is another great savings of $1,749 versus the Celebrity website, because if you were to go there, it would be $6,182.04, which is a pretty darn good savings. Next, we have the Edge Staterooms with the infinite verandas. Those are $4,169.04 with $250 on board credit. That's another great savings of $1,638 for the same room, same perk package, and the same refundable deposit, because if you were to go to the Celebrity website, it would be $5,807.04. And finally, we do have some Ocean View cabins, Prime Ocean View cabins. Those are $3,601.04 with $150 on board credit. That's a great savings of $1,405, because if you were to go to the Celebrity website, they would want $5,006.04 for the same room, same perk package, same refundable deposit. Now, if you want to book this wonderful transatlantic cruise on the Celebrity Apex, the best way you can do that is to give a call to the phone number right there. When you call that number, you can hit extension 1 and that will bring you to me, Rob, or you can hit extension 2 and that will bring you to my wife, Cheryl. You can also give a little click on the link down in the description below. If you do that, that will bring you to a travel interest survey form. Just fill out the form. Let us know exactly this is the ship that you want to go on, the Celebrity Apex, going to do the transatlantic from Southampton in October 2024. 2024, and we'll get right back to you. Now, if you're sitting in your living room and you're watching YouTube on your sofa and you don't have access to a keyboard or mouse, you can always just scan this QR code. It'll bring you to that same form. Fill it out. We'll get right back to you. So there you go, folks. I rectified the situation of the canceled transatlantic. We have the new pricing for Celebrity Apex leaving from England, going back to Fort Lauderdale in October 2024. And these are some really, really good prices. If you love this video, hey, think about giving it a big thumbs up. It really does help the YouTube algorithm, and it does help other people who are looking for a great price on a transatlantic find this video. If you have any questions or comments at all about this video, please leave them down below. We love comments and we always answer back to you. And finally, one last time, if you have not become a member of this Cruise Seekers community, we would love for you to subscribe and turn that notification bell on. If you do, you'll be one of the first 10,000 subscribers over here in Cruise Seekers. We would love for you to be part of that group. Thank you so much for clicking that subscribe button and turning on that notification bell on. So until we talk again next time, this is Rob from Cruise Seekers reminding each and every one of you to always seek the seas. Bye now.